Welcome back to our channel. Today Hero Passion Pro is a shining example of practicality and style in the world of commuter motorcycles. Designed to cater to the needs of everyday riders, it strikes a perfect balance between performance, comfort, and economy, making it a favorite choice for Indian roads. With its sleek design, reliable engine, and fuel-efficient performance, the Hero Passion Pro has earned a loyal following among those who prioritize value without compromising on quality. At the heart of the Hero Passion Pro is a refined 113.2cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering 9.15 bhp of power and 9.79 Newton-meters of torque. This BS6 compliant motor ensures not only a cleaner ride but also improved fuel efficiency. With Hero's advanced i3S, idle stop-start system, technology, the bike is engineered to save fuel by automatically shutting off the engine at long stops, like traffic signals, and restarting it seamlessly with a simple twist of the throttle. This innovative feature makes the Passion Pro one of the most fuel-efficient bikes in its segment, offering mileage figures of around 60 to 65 km/L under standard riding conditions. The design of the Hero Passion Pro stands out with its sporty graphics, sharp body lines, and dual-tone color schemes that exude a youthful appeal. The bold LED tail lamp and modern headlight design enhance its aesthetic appeal while ensuring better visibility during night rides. The semi-digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch, displaying essential information like fuel level, speed, odometer, and trip meter. Comfort is a key highlight of the Passion Pro, with its well-padded seat and upright riding posture. The telescopic front forks and rear adjustable shock absorbers ensure a smooth ride even on uneven roads. The bike's lightweight frame, combined with its agile handling, makes it an excellent choice for navigating city traffic with ease. The 18-inch alloy wheels and tubeless tires provide added stability and safety, while the integrated braking system, IBS, enhances stopping power, especially in emergency situations. The Hero Passion Pro is not just about performance, it also brings reliability and low maintenance costs to the table. Hero's extensive service network ensures that riders have access to affordable and efficient service centers across the country. The build quality of the Passion Pro is robust, designed to withstand the rigors of daily commuting while maintaining its charm over the years. For those looking for a dependable, stylish, and economical motorcycle, the Hero Passion Pro checks all the boxes. It caters to young professionals, college students, and anyone seeking a bike that combines affordability with features. The Passion Pro's impressive fuel economy, smooth engine performance, and advanced technology make it an unbeatable package in its category. Whether it's daily office commutes, short city rides, or even occasional long rides, the Hero Passion Pro promises to deliver a hassle-free and enjoyable experience every time.